Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get latest updates.
Hello friends, welcome to PSD Vlogs. This is Pramod Dasade. Welcomes you to the new unboxing and review of a beautiful product which we have received from the Amazon yesterday itself. Box and see what we have got. So I'm just cutting out. Watch a beautiful product we have got. OnePlus community, that is we have bought from OnePlus 6T mirror black, 6 GB RAM, 6 GB RAM. No, sorry, it's 8 GB. It's available in 6 GB also, 6 GB and 128 GB, and 8 GB and 128 to 248 GBs. OnePlus 60 A6010, that is model number what we have received. Apart from this, it's a Qualcomm Snapdragon processor shoot on OnePlus. It said they created together with our community. So this is a flagship brands of OnePlus community, a collection of individual process, a tremendous understanding and superior taste in finest technology. What is the most important, that is a part of what we do, and what it includes. There is some tag on that. This model, mobile phone, month of year, manufactured 11th 2018. The maximum retail price is 41,999, but we have got it about 40,000 and something around that, because we have got about 1500 rupees discount on this, and which contains one unit, one mobile phone, one USB cable, one charger, one TPU protective case, one quick start guideline, safety information, one SIM tray, ejector and USB-C type C of headphone jack adapter. So they are following the iPhone. They have not given the headphone jack in this mobile. And Oppo Mobile India Private Limited, manufactured. You can see here the OnePlus is manufactured by Oppo Mobile India Private Limited, plot number 01. This was what I don't know, but what's written in this. OnePlus exclusive service center, Hira building, municipal number, and all that, toll-free number, email channels, and another help and support. So just unboxing, unlocking the speed, and just a minute. Oh, it's unlocked. It's early only I have unlocked it. So there is a main unit mobile phone, that's OnePlus 60, which comes with the inbuilt, what we call, अरे निकल क्यों नहीं रहा भाई, that's protective glass. Let boot up, let him boot. Powered by Android, OnePlus. Okay, it's taking time, so we will keep it aside and look at what is inside the box. This is fingerprint of this. It says that the fingerprint is on the screen, and a beautiful case, but the original case what we got on this. And just a minute, the boot up has started, and the mobile has started already, because I have set up earlier only. And another thing what we have got in this, it's an guideline, I think so. What is this? Okay, this is open. And some SIM ejector tool, what we have got in the box, safety information, some stickers from OnePlus 60, and this is a basic guideline or something. Unlock the speed, or the, what is this? Unlock the speed 60. So their basic functions are given on this, SAR rating and all that. Beyond that, what we have received, let's see beyond this box, and some stickers which you will like, just like an Apple. OnePlus is also building a huge customer base. Let's put this in. No need. Going beyond this, there's an invitation letter for word from a पिटे 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 कौन पिटे भाई, कोई नहीं पिटे, OnePlus CEO है वो भाई, पिटेंगे क्यों, फट गई. 5 years old, a million stories to tell. So they have completed 5 years in the market. Let it be the first to welcome you to the OnePlus community. Like you, we have driven by passion for technology. What sets of tech part is the imagination, build and polish hand in hand with you. So they are saying, good work. So coming with the dash charger, and this is the Type C cable. The quality of cable is very good. This could put aside and it's getting down. And dash charger, which says that it is an output gives 5 volt 4 ampere. So 5 volt 4 ampere, 20 volt. It's a fast charger. ज़्यादा बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है, ज़्यादा एक्सप्लेनेशन की जरूरत नहीं है. कुछ बंदे ज़्यादा कुछ समझ रहे हैं. और हाँ, ये तो एप्पल वाली थिंग ला दी इन्होंने. मजाक है क्या, पता नहीं. So you have to connect every time with this in your headphone. Very nice of this, and just opening with the mobile. So OnePlus 60 is the interface is very good, and beyond that, what I have liked is the camera quality of this mobile phone that I am going to show. I have downloaded Google Pixel also, and there is a very nice picture of a beautiful flower. There's some noise maybe, but the photo conditions are good. Where this is clicked by the Google Pixel, but some are blurry. The night vision is very good, but at the time of the video, this happens every minute and seconds. The blackness comes with the background of the video. And beyond that, what we are talking about, the features of this phone. Probably you should not get the mirror black finish because it gets a fingerprint. So get the cover up as soon as possible. So paying 40,000 for an Android mobile with an Oxygen. Just look at the specifications. What we have. It's a Snapdragon 845. So let him zoom. Bit zoom हो रहा है कि नहीं? Let him zoom, yaar. Let him compile the zoom. Zoom lens is working well of the camera. अबे यार ऑटो फोकस पे ले लेते हैं सीधा. ऑटो फोकस कुछ इंफॉर्मेशन करेक्टिव. CPU Snapdragon 845, 8 GB RAM, 128 ROM, 16 and 20 megapixel dual camera, front is 16 megapixel, and optic AMOLED 6.4 display, and device name is 6+T, and verification and all the details are. It runs on Oxygen OS Origin, and it's a basic version of the what we call the ad-free. It's a completely ad-free mobile. Status, signal, SIM slot 2, SIM slot 1. Both the SIMs are 4G, so there is no problem, no essentiality. At the back of this, there is branding of OnePlus is very small. And on the right side of the case, there is a branding of OnePlus. Probably the originality of the case should be maintained so that they have integrated these things. Beyond that, nothing much important. Created together with our community. So this Oxygen contributors is 2013 crew beta program. So they have given a name on this. This is beautiful. Good. At least they are recognized what they have done. This is 9 version which is updated on January 1st. Please, my dear camera, focus. Focus is an important strategy. अरे यार कैमरा भाई साहब फोकस कर लीजिए जरा. So baseband version, kernel version, OnePlus, all the details are given. Okay, Android. Thank you very much. Please like, share, and subscribe the video if you like the video. And beyond that, we have going on the photographic sessions. about the tips and tricks of the OnePlus 60 mobile, how to click and good picture with a mobile. Soon we are coming with this video. Okay, let's take a leave. Bye bye. Have a nice day.